This segment is sponsored in part by Verizon.
Holidays are here. It's a great time to save wherever you can, and Verizon's got some simple solutions to boost savings value and reliability this year.
So Verizon's tech expert, Chris Tirico, is back again with some money-saving tips.
Hey.
Listen,
My plan, my guy.
we love having you.
Let's
Let's do this every week.
I love that. That'd be great.
Okay, so a lot of people are shopping for
Yes,
phones,
yes.
tablets,
Oh, yeah.
laptops,
Oh, yeah.
gaming consoles.
Yes.
But before any of that tech can work, you have to have an internet.
You do. It tends to help all of these things to
I heard.
actually make
This is
them
what I-
work
this is what
properly.
I've heard.
So
Too.
we've got Verizon Fios, got this wonderful unit over here that helps channel our amazing fiber optic network into your homes. Great for streaming, great for gaming, great for working from home or pretending to work from home during the holiday season.
there it is.
I see you out there. Anyway, we found out that through an open signal study, Verizon Fios has faster speeds than cable, including Xfinity, Spectrum, and Optimum. Just saying. So for a limited time, you can sign up for a 5-year price guarantee, and on your for your home internet, no equipment charges, no data caps, none of that, none of those shenanigans out there, no hidden
shenanigans.
fees.
That
So,
doesn't
Chris,
sound half bad.
To reiterate,
Yes.
what is it that sets the Fios TV experience apart from the other services?
Well, it's really cool. So it uses that same fiber optic network over here, but now we have, for new customers to Fios TV, we have Fios TV Plus. We put the plus in your TV experience. What does that mean? It means all of your TV shows and movies all in one place. Yeah, you can grab that. That's the quote-unquote set-top box.
I love it.
That is tiny. That actually
I can't get
attaches
over
to
it.
your router as opposed to being in your TV area, so it doesn't clutter that area up at all.
It's gorgeous.
The button on here, you can hit that in case you lose your remote in the couch cushions, or if you've had an interesting night with too much nog. I'm like, where's my remote? I don't know why that would be anyone's voice, but that way you can hit that button and find out where that remote is. It also helps you figure out like which of your TV shows and movies you can get for free based on its existing subscriptions. Easy for me to say. So really great for new Fios customers. And if for Fios deals, if you sign up for most Fios TV plan, you get a $200 gift card. But wait, there's more. Combine that with a 1 gig or a 2 gig Fios internet plan. We're available in New York with Fios TV Plus. You'll get another $200 gift card this time for Amazon and an Xbox Series S on us. That's $400 worth of gift cards. And for all the details,
Holy.
you can go to verizon.com/getFiosTV+.
He's helping us save a whole bunch of money.
He is.
A lot of cash.
But we should call you Santa Claus.
Yeah.
Oh,
Can we
wait, sorry,
go
it's my
to-
part-time
can we-
gig. Don't tell anyone. Sorry,
Let's
spoiler
look
alert.
at the go-to gift gadgets.
Okay, we got
Yes.
some gadgets over here. So we got the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 over here.
do
This
that
one's
one.
actually
That
going
one's a fun one.
Stunning.
take this off because it's going to go into selfie mode. All right, so we're going to do this. So we've got this over here. That's a lovely little visual. And then when we do this and we drag this over here, we go into
Excuse me?
selfie mode. So we're going to go into selfie mode and go tap 3, 2, 1. And then there you go. And then that way we can share that with our viewers at home. But what's wonderful about that, you want to zoom in on that, feel free. Talk about photos that might not necessarily be ones that we want out there. It's a theme for today. But one of the nice things is it's compact. You can take that and obviously flip it like old school. And for a limited time, you can get a brand new 5G smartphone on us when you sign up for an unlimited ultimate plan. For more details about that and about our Verizon free trial, you can go to verizon.com/free trial. You can test our network for 30 days. That is a beautiful, fun new phone.
Okay. If I'm not looking for a new phone, what are the gifts, gadgets, texts you got for me?
Yes. So one of the nice things about if you get the Fios TV Plus, you get that Xbox Series S on us. Well, you can actually take your gaming on the go with the Razer Edge 5G. This is really awesome. I'm actually going to pretend I know how to play this thing.
Better you than me.
And like this is great because it's got 8 hours of battery life. You can kind of take it on the road. It connects to Verizon's 5G ultra wideband network, and so it's great. You can just pick up where you left off, and those long trips to wherever the relatives are hanging out these days. You're good to go with that thing.
Fantastic.
This thing is beautiful. It is a Soundcore Rave Neo 2, in addition to having beautiful lights and colorful objects, which distract me all the time and forget me what I'm doing, which is generally a good thing sometimes during the holiday season. It puts the fa-la-la in fabulous. So 80 watts of output. That just happened. 80 watts of output, 18 hours of battery life, and it obviously has beautiful, colorful things to keep this merry and bright this holiday season. And last but not least, we have the Mophie Snap Plus multi-device travel charger. We got a lot of things we got to charge up these days.
Right, everything.
So we've got one cable to charge them all. Compatible phone, earbuds, smartwatch, and a handy little travel case.
Oh, how cute is
That I'm
it?
gonna just drop-
Great.
handy little
Right there.
travel case. There we go.
There it is.
Yay. And for more of all these great things, you can go to Verizon.com/Holiday Media Hub.
Unbelievable.
Yeah.
You've outdone yourself. Thank you,
I'm
sir.
Every
trying.
single time.
Thank you.
Thanks for
Thank
The
having
one
you.
and only. Hey, thank you. And like he said, you can check out more device offers at Verizon.com/Holiday Media Hub. Whew. We'll be right back.
Look at this selfie.